and Chuck Norris shall lead them. Last night, Kent Jones brought to our attention a puzzling new theme in the right-wing attack on health reform. It's a holiday-themed argument, really, raised by action star Chuck Norris.
Conservative enforcer Chuck Norris gave Obama's health reform plan a muscular smackdown. Quote, "As we near the eve of another Christmas, I wonder what would have happened if Mother Mary had been covered by Obamacare. What if that young, poor, and uninsured teenage woman had been provided the federal funds via Obamacare and facilities via Planned Parenthood, etc., to avoid the ridicule, ostracizing, persecution, and possible stoning because of her out-of-wedlock pregnancy?"
Chuck Norris arguing in his column this week that health reform, Herod care, if you will, would have killed the baby Jesus. Merry Christmas. If that argument seemed a little too out there to you, then you are way underestimating the rhetorical plank that health reform opponents are willing to walk. It turns out they are adopting Chuck Norris's framing, and they're building it out around the lone Democratic holdout on health reform, Senator Ben Nelson. Here's Tony Perkins, president of the Family Research Council, using the Chuck Norris Herod care theme at this week's prayer cast against health reform.
Isn't it a little ironic here at Christmas time, where we celebrate the birth of a baby in a manger, that we're actually talking about how this bill will go depends upon the unborn babies?
So Chuck Norris comes up with Herod care on Tuesday. On Wednesday, Tony Perkins develops the Christmas theme, and by today, Steve Doocy and Peter Johnson on Fox and Friends turned Senator Nelson's anti-abortion crusade against health reform into a full-fledged Christmas morality play.
Could it be because he understands the true meaning of Christmas?
What you have is an interesting, almost Christmas pageant. Senator Ben Nelson, conservative Democrat from Nebraska, who's got a lot of experience in the insurance industry and was a very successful governor in that state. He's saying, implicitly, the true meaning of Christmas is that you don't destroy babies.
Oh, no.